I think it's time to give some news about the course. A few months ago, I announced something super important for me that I wanted to create for years. I wanted to create a course. I want to show the journey to delivering a creative website from the first client call to the final delivery to the clients. I want to share my experience and give my point of view about create high-end websites and also being transparent about the whole process. So the goal is to create 3 modules that can be both separately or all together in one bundle of 95 euro. And you're gonna ask me why 95? Because I want that it can be accessible to everyone around the world. And finally, creating this course is something pretty ambitious and that's why it takes time, because I want to cover 3 pillars. Project management with Notion, the design phase with Figma or XD, and the development phase, of course, with Webflow. By covering all these phases, people are gonna be able to create high-end website from A to Z. People can buy the bundle if they want everything, but also they can buy the course separately if they just want to focus and dig in one specific subject. But before launching the course, I wanted to have credibility in the area. I'm tired of people who create lousy content just for be rich and don't bring a lot of value. I want to share in these courses all the value that I have. So that's why last year I didn't work a lot on the formation. I was focused on the studio, creating the best website possible for clients. And finally it works because we win site of the day. And also, for Rose Island, for the studio, for Vanna, and this was amazing, and we also been nominated as a site of the month for Rose Island, and finally at the end of the year being nominated as a studio of the year, just nominated. Congrats to Synchronic Studio, by the way, who will win the awards. And yeah, all this bring us a credibility for this year. Also to bring client for this year, but also to bring a credibility for the course. And this was super important for me. So this is a mission accomplished, and I'm super happy with that. Thanks to this channel, I'm also building a credibility to me, to Maël, to Ballerine, and to the studio. We try to provide the best content as possible, and also to build a strong and solid community. And it works because sharing what I want to do with the course give more credibility to the content, and many people are interested about the course. Almost 500% in the waiting list, which is amazing and give a lot of motivation. Now the problem is I tried to announce a release date. First was December, after January, after February, and finally, because I'm managing the studio, creating content on YouTube, designing also project at the studio, and also creating the course, I had a lot of difficulty to find time to create the course. And this is super painful because I see people waiting, and it's like it's my mistake because I shouldn't announce a date till I'm really sure. But now things are getting better because more and more I found time during my week, and I book time to work on the course. I book like almost 3 days per week to work on the course. So the things are going well. So finally, the course is progressing well, and it's also thanks to the team. The fact that I have Maël and Ballerine with me is helping me a lot in the production side of Tambien, and me, I can focus in more managing, just designing some project, and focus more on the course. So this is super important, and it really makes me feel good because I really love create the content of this course. And when you will see the course, I hope you will love it because I really put everything I have. So the course creation is going well, but I can't and I don't want to give you a release date because for the moment I don't know. And I make this mistake in the past, and I don't want to do again this mistake because I don't want to disappoint people, But realistically, I think I have more for 2 months more of work, and I think with 2 months more I will be good. And I want to drop the course all at the same time. I don't want that I release a chapter now, and after I release the Webflow later and the design later. No, I want the 3 phases are ready together, like that people can buy the bundle, or people can buy separately the chapter that they want. So this is super important for me, and that's why I ask you to wait a little bit more. And thanks again for that and for all your patience and also all your messages, because I receive a lot of message that is on Twitter, on YouTube, I mean everywhere. A lot of people ask me for the course, and this also give me a lot of energy. And also like, yeah, super exciting to see people waiting, and also super like not frustrating, but I want to give you the course because you are waiting. So again, thanks a lot for wait, and I hope you will like it. So let me know if you like this video in comment, and if you would like to see more video about the course creation process, because I can maybe give some news like this on YouTube sometimes. And yeah, if you like the video, please share it, like, comment, and if you want to see the next video, subscribe to the channel. See ya!